In a special operation conducted during the early hours of Mahalaya this morning, the Baijalbari Police Station seized a total of 13 motorcycles for serious traffic offences. According to sources, Baijalbari officer in charge Tripura stated that during a press conference on Saturday in the presence of the Quiet District SP, police officials had discussed actions to prevent road accidents on the occasion of Mahalaya. Demonstrating this commitment, the Baijalbari police conducted a special drive on Sunday. During the operation, they seized 13 motorcycles for violations including riding without a helmet, riding without a valid license and speeding.
Tini to Mahalaya dino bui pungo lama himo. Abon baganyo miyawo sini district SP sarno meeting khaika meeting o sakaje tini pungo kuno karonei jani thana area wo kuno abtoi accident ungyatei kahamke naikol bogai sungo miyawo meeting o saka bini pore bo sung je sini je subdivision je o sitonglai rongno saka staff je nangmani nahadi nei sungo sung je staff nangmani sungno rika aboni bagai sung tini phungai siri chaitani simino ani oro je staff tongmani sung abono lama deploy khema pore sung nukjaka aro gobangma sarai rok helmet chara driving license chara bike awas khai gobangma phungfa chaloka aboni bagai sung wansoka je borokno sung atkina nangnai atki ang kangkai je kuno gotana mano aboni bagai sung je helmet kri rongno je borong document kri rongno sung atki oi thanao dai tongkha sung tabok abono ulo boroni document ok sharing ai jangnai nai jodino thik tongkha sung borokno ulo sarok jangnai 10 tani pore sung saroknai hini wansuk tongo abono tini sini mission aboni bagai sung total tebo tongmani chirai do khar thangbai kya Mahalaya 13 ta bike apodoto sung atke oi man khatini
Khorang te kagaz document ke jangnai chalan
document jara document kri dok MBA go sung borno fine khlainai.
The officer in charge of Baijalbari stated that if the bike owner provides the proper documents, the bike will be released to them. Reported by Biplov from Khorang, Chini Khorang.